Okay, right back. So I went through a couple of pairs. Notice from NZD, USD. All of these had something wrong with it to where it's just not ready. So it's not ripe for me to really look at and notice any entries. But GBP had a beautiful move that I want to go over real quick. And real quick means probably 15 minutes. Anyways, on the monthly chart, you're going to notice that I wrote reversal confirmed. That's because these these double dojis and then a bullet bearish engulfing, that was the confirmation. That happened last month, so I'm kind of late to this one. And literally 4 weeks ago, we could have got in somewhere around here. Maybe, we'll see. I'm gonna take this back in time. So daily, you can see there was some consolidation already, and then this move down. And you also see kind of like a double top type of situation up here in the daily chart. 4-hour chart, okay. Looks like we're warming up. Okay. I don't have any like major pullback that I could have traded here, but you know, maybe it's not to be seen on the 4-hour. Maybe somewhere in here could have placed something, but we'll come back to that and I'll investigate a little bit further. Let me just show you what I saw standing out, blaringly obvious right now. Okay, so this is the 1-hour chart, and on the 5th, June 5th, we had this little double top situation, breakthrough of the 50 EMA, and then we saw a retest. So let me remove this for y'all so you can see it real quick. Okay, so we broke the 50 EMA and we came back and retested it. Okay, clear as day. So if I go back, I wonder if it's going to show me. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So if I go back, you're going to be able to see all the fib levels and everything. So I drew this in from the top. This is the part of the double top-ish situation. Drop down, pull back, 382 entry, boom. And then from there, I measured the extended levels. So you can see those black dots are where I measured the extended levels, just like I did in the previous video. And there's a conservative profit target at 152, and there's a not so conservative at 272. Okay, and that's at 3%, and then in between is at 2.4%. So there's money to be made here, pretty easily too, man. Not like a hard. It's not difficult to trade that. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. Let's go ahead and remove these, and let's look for more plays. So from here, you could be thinking, all right, well, is there another play? I think there is, but this pull and then this as a pullback. Looks like we would have gotten ourselves close to being stopped out here. We pull back a little bit much. We also formed a double bottom, 1, 2, which might have been a sign that we can get out. But so how this would work? Get rid of this real quick. Hold on. How this would work is you get in on 382. You say, okay, 0.75, maybe 68, just depending. 0.75 is your typical stop loss, somewhere in here, either right here or right here. The big problem, the big red flag, besides MACD divergence, crazy MACD right here. Besides that is the fact that there's a double bottom. So that might tell you Shouldn't trade that right now. Momentum is just not where I want it to be. And if you were in this, the good thing is you only lose a little bit. You don't, not the full 1%. If you're in it. So just kind of want to show you that, what it would look like if you're going, if it's going the wrong way, and how you can make adjustments and actually get out of a lot of situations with minimal damage, so to speak. As nerdy as that sounded. Let's see. Yes, so break and retest is what I'm looking for. But I'm looking for it further back, like right in here. This is a break and retest, even though it played along the line. Let's see if it lines up. I really like that price action. I'm kind of weird about it. I don't know why I like it, but there's something about that specific type of price action that really makes me happy to see. So the problem here is there's not like a pullback. There's not like a boom boom type of strong sharp pullback. There's later here, but that's not the play that we're looking at, right? So maybe if I've had it to where it's crowded like that and dropped down on more than one occasion, and maybe there's a play here, but that's my own strategy, not necessarily Irek's, but there might be like an NZD drop is what I called it, and it would look something like this. Boom. Get rid of these fibs, like something like that, probably somewhere in here. So the cool thing is I can go do this, push this back. It's not even far enough. Damn, it's way back here. Anyways, so if I push this back, you're going to be able to notice. I knew the pivot would be like this because the pivot is based on averages, and since the previous day was real tight and sideways, I figured this would be pretty tight like that. So it might be a little risky to trade this, but I'm willing to risk 1% on this type of trade because I know how big, how massive the upside could be, and probably aiming at something like this, recent low type of thing. But that's an old strategy, right? Try to mix it in with the new stuff, but sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. This is just me doing me, and that's NZD drop strategy. And then let's see, y'all know I love using pivots to try to identify like little easy wins. Just tighten this up a bit. So let's drop down, boom, and then we're sideways a lot, kind of sporadic. But I'm looking for that clean, beautiful play where it pulls back pretty nice. Something like this, maybe. I probably would have taken this. It's just it's not as tight as I would have liked it. You know, maybe this play right here. Yeah, I'm about to go extra hard with this fib entry thing. Something like that, but I still didn't get in on that. Yeah. Interesting. So it's kind of vulnerable to do this and show y'all this is me in real time, just trying to understand how it might fit into my own strategy. You know, understand how this new way of looking at trading might fit into my own strategy, man. Some of the stuff with the pyramid reversal strategy is going to stay the same. I'll tell you that right now. I would trade this because I trade this. You know, this is just, that's me. And I would get out right in here because it crowded and went sideways. Maybe, but probably not here. but definitely here with the bigger bars. That's a play that you guys have seen me take and identify several times. So put that there, and maybe on this little crowded play, do something like this. Just say, all right, man. I have the balls to risk 1% on this. I don't know if you want to call it balls or just you know, the gall to do that. But that's kind of like my bread and butter. Y'all know that. And I see this pyramid. It's not a very good one though, to be honest. Pyramid looks like this. It looks like it's going down to around here. So I got some plays to make right there, and I would be looking for a real nice pullback, but there's not anything that's super clean here. That's just the nature of it. This one's one of the cleanest, and it's not clean enough to get caught on fib. So there you go. There you have it. Sometimes it works using old strategies. Sometimes it works using new strategies, and I think I'm confident saying I'm going to use a little bit of both. Kind of do it my way, but also be smarter about it. 351, 196 was at 55. It's crazy, man. Crazy to make these crazy these percentage returns. It's just nuts, bro. Anyways, yeah. So there's that, and look how, in comparison, look how much more beautiful this this pullback is. This break of the 50 EMA and then this retest is crazy. It's absolutely gorgeous, and you can appreciate it. It's just like this, boom, boom, in there. Bled a little bit right in here because when it went up to the 5, but still, some in here. Stop loss and drop in. Drop in with that extended fib to figure out where we're aiming at. But yeah, it's crazy, man. I love this evolution. I love how it feels to get stronger as a trader and understand what you're doing a little bit more. Each time I get in front of the charts, although I'm not trading any real capital right now, which is disheartening and also frustrating and also embarrassing and also a lot of other things. But you gotta let that shit go, man. Let that go. Let your ego go. How to kill yourself, kill your ego, kill yourself, that inner self that's sabotaging things and being lame and closed off and not open to possibilities and ideas, you know, your inner kid, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, man, thank you again for watching this if you watched the whole thing, and I'll probably be back soon. Peace.